dark creatures of all kinds, and thank you for joining me today. This video is going to be my birthday haul video. So if you like this type of videos, please consider to subscribe to my channel. My birthday was in January and I decided to give myself an early present. If you watched my previous DIY video, you might have already seen it, but if you don't, let me show you. So it's this cute Cthulhu bag by Killstar. It has two cute back wings and two compartments. One is here and the other one is here on its head. Now it's more of a statement bag and it doesn't have a lot of room, but surprisingly I managed to put inside my keys, my credit card, cell phone charger, and of course my cell phone. So it has enough room for all the important things. This year I wanted a small celebration with family and friends. So we organized a barbecue at my parents'. So at the barbecue day, my partner and I took the car and went on a small trip. We decided to go to the mountain and see some snow, and it was unplanned, so we didn't dress up properly for the snow. On the way, we bought two beanies, one for him and one for me. This is mine, and it's actually very cute. And I wore it a few times at work, and I really like it. Like, I don't know, it has something like, it has some punk vibes to it. We started the barbecue afternoon and it was very fun, very tasty. I enjoyed the food, enjoyed the company, and also I got the present from my best friend. Every year she comes up with the perfect gift, like she knows me so well. And I want to show you what she got me. It's a bunch of things. So the first thing is this beautiful skull handkerchief, and what I was thinking is to use it as a scarf. Let me demonstrate. Like I can tie it here around my neck, like that, and I can also use it as a tablecloth, I think, but I'd rather use it as a scarf. So moving on to the next thing she got me, let me just take it out from the bag. So it's this beautiful skull earring. So cute. So the next thing is this cute skull pin, and it says Les Catacombs de Paris. I believe she bought it at the catacombs in Paris, and it came from her trip there. Also, she bought me the handkerchief in her trip as well. So what else have I got? Let's move on to this. What is it? Can you guess? Well, I couldn't. So it's this. What is this exactly? Let me open this. A moment. I'm always struggling with boxes. I have no idea why, but this is me. So this is. Let's see that. Oh, alright. So it's this. Let me show you very carefully. It's this green loose powder, like eyeshadow. I never had one before, so I'm not entirely sure how to use it, but I will figure it out. Now, why she got me this green color, you ask? Well, that's because it's my favorite color. Like, not exactly my favorite, but it is my favorite because everyone hates it, so I like it. I don't know, but it became my favorite since the 2000s and the cyber goth fashion style. So it is my favorite color for cyber goth outfits. Moving on to the next thing, she got me safety pins. Now, they're not just the usual safety pins, I mean, they do. But what's special about them is that she got them from her mom, and they're quite old. The good old safety pins, the quality ones. And I might do a DIY project with them. I don't know exactly which, when, or what, but I think putting them on a jacket or on something I create might be a very good use of them. Now let's move on to the last thing I got from her, which are those cute cat pins. I put it on my birthday during the barbecue. It was so much fun and I like them. The last present is from my mom, and before the barbecue she asked me what I want, and I sent her a picture from Phantasmagoria's website. So to my surprise, she brought it to me, and it's this beautiful PunkRave cropped jacket. For so long I wanted a fur jacket or a fur coat, so now I have it. Anyway, I want to show you how it looks on me. So I took a short video outside because I have no place to take photos or videos inside except of this couch area. So let's move on to the try on. Okay, I feel like a cute monster in it. Because I'm short, the sleeves are a bit long on me. I always have this issue with clothes. The cropped silhouette, however, is perfect for my small body compared to hip or knee-length fur jackets I've tried that made me look like a giant ball. So styling-wise, I'd say cropped fur jackets are the perfect choice for short and petite people. That's it for this whole video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you like ghost and alternative videos. Drop a comment in the comment section because it's always nice to hear from you. And if you want to watch another haul video, I have a few linked here on the screen.